How to remove apps from Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, and then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, scroll down to apps and sales channels and click on it. And here you will be able to find all of the apps that are installed in your Shopify store. So in order for you to remove one of the apps, you just need to click on it and then scroll all the way down to the delete section, from which you want to click on the red button that says delete app. It will give you a pop-up window that will tell you what will happen when you delete the app, and also it will give you a optional feedback from which you can select a reason from the drop down as to why you want to delete the app. Once you do that, click on the red button at the bottom right that says delete, and the app will be uninstalled. So that was it for this video. That's how you can uninstall and delete Shopify store apps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.